All right, hello, my wonderful students. This is part 2 of foldable number 2. And I already went ahead and wrote these out for the rest of them just to save a little time in the videos. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it. So we need to find our vertex. So as you remember, our vertex is equal to parentheses our h and our k. And our axis of symmetry, which was our AOS, is equal to, if we look at it over here, do the graph on a different side now it's over here. It's wherever it separates the graph in half. And I usually do that in red actually, because coincidentally it's actually going to be this here. So axis of symmetry is going to be equal to our h from up here. Alright, so let's go ahead and solve for our h first. So here, if you notice, this is a little different than what we're used to seeing, because we're used to seeing it here. If we're looking for our h, it's in parentheses. So if there is no parentheses, I'm just gonna show you guys how to rewrite it, just so you can see their h is actually going to be 0. But just know that if there's no parentheses for these, for the quadratics, h is going to be 0. But if I were to rewrite this as equal to -3 x minus 0 squared minus 2. These are the same, right? Because x minus 0 is just x, and x squared is the same as -3x squared. So this here, so the reason why I did this is to show you that this here, to show you the h value. So if you see here, our h is going to be equal to 0 because there's really nothing there. And we added the 0 just for reference, just to show you. All right, so now we're going to go to our k. Our k is equal to -2, straight out. Plain and simple. Okay, now we can go to our conclusion. So therefore, comma, our vertex is, and our h was 0, and our k is -2, and our axis of symmetry is 0, because that's what our h value was. Ooh, let me write that a little bit more of an h than an n. Sweet deal.